Meaning of drearily.
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 Drearily. Drearily is an adverb that describes something done in a dull, boring, and depressing manner. When something is described as dreary, it often means that it is uninteresting, monotonous, and tedious. The word can be used to describe weather, a place, a situation, or a person's mood. A dreary sky might be gray and overcast, while a dreary place might be run down and uninviting. Something done drearily is often lacking in enthusiasm or energy, and may leave one feeling disheartened or discouraged.